Hello, everyone. Today we will learn about the idiom on the line. Have you ever heard someone say their job is on the line and felt confused? It's a common English idiom, and understanding it will help you communicate better. Let me tell you a story about my friend, Maria, who started a new job. Her boss said, "This project is very important. My reputation is on the line." Maria imagined her boss standing on a thin rope high in the air. She was very worried about what this could mean. But on the line doesn't mean standing on a rope. It means something is at risk or in a dangerous or uncertain situation. When Maria's boss said his reputation was on the line, he meant his reputation could be damaged if the project failed. It was a critical moment for him. Later, Maria's team worked hard. They had a big presentation. Before they started, a team member, Tom, said, "Our success is on the line. Let's do our best." He meant their success depended on this one presentation. They were all in a risky, but important moment where the outcome was uncertain. Let's look at some more examples to solidify your understanding. Listen carefully to each sentence and its meaning. Another example, he put his savings on the line to start his own business. This means he risked all his money, taking a significant financial gamble. Finally, with only 1 minute left in the game, the championship was on the line. This implies the outcome was uncertain and at risk, making it a thrilling moment. To remember on the line, think of a telephone line. If the line is cut, the conversation is over, communication is lost. So, if something is on the line, it is at risk of being cut off or lost, just like a phone call when the connection breaks. Now for a fun fact about its origin. The phrase "on the line" might come from old battlefields where soldiers stood in a line facing the enemy. In such a position, they were literally putting their lives at risk, making the phrase a powerful descriptor of danger and uncertainty. Let's explore some related sayings that convey similar meanings. These can help you expand your vocabulary. For example, "The company's future is at stake" means its future is at risk. "In jeopardy" carries the same sense of danger. Conversely, some opposite sayings include "safe" and "sound" and "out of the woods," indicating a situation where danger has passed. For instance, after the storm, "We were all safe and sound" means everyone was unharmed and out of danger. A common mistake beginner English learners make is saying "in the line" instead of "on the line" when referring to risk. Remember, it's always on the line. For example, the correct phrase is "his job is on the line," not "his job is in the line." Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. If a project is on the line, what does it truly mean? Is it A, the project is finished? B, the project is at risk of failing? Or C, the project is a straight line? Take a moment to think about your answer. The correct answer is B, the project is at risk of failing. So today, we learned that "on the line" means something is at risk or in a dangerous situation. We saw how to use it correctly and how to remember it with a simple analogy. Using this idiom will make your English sound more natural and help you express complex ideas with greater precision. Now it's your turn. Have you ever used "on the line" in a sentence? Share your own example in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content and found it helpful, please like this video and follow our channel for more English idiom lessons. See you next time.